Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Dr. Desiree Giraldo, maraming salamat. At ang aking katabi, si Atty. Aiko Mejia, and Dr. Juan Leon, aking katabi palay. Maraming salamat to the members of the Board of Regents. Maraming salamat to the members of the Council, Congressman Ading, magandang hapon, and Vice Mayor Arvin, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga kapatid, ang pinagpipitagan ng Mayor ng Taguig, Mayor Lani Cayetano, ang isa ko pang kapatid, Senator Alan Cayetano. Magandang hapon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtanggap sa akin dito. Graduates, mga nanay, tatay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Yan po ang aking sinasabi tuwing hapon pag ako'y nagpapalabas sa Fast Talk ni Boy Abunda. On my way here, sabi ko po ay parang alam ko ang sasabihin ko pero hindi ko alam ang aking sasabihin. Because I wanted to look at your eyes, I wanted to feel. Ika nyo nga, maganda yung nalalaman mo yung feels. Di ba? Nalalaman mo yung vibes ng pagkakataon. And truth be told, napakahirap po gumawa ng graduation speech. May mga dahilan po yan. Number one, sabi mo kay Mayor Lani, siguro ito'y ngayong taon pang 8 ko ng graduation speech. Una, 30 years from now, 40 years from now, hindi ko alam kung ilan ang makakaalala na si Tito Boy ang inyong graduation speaker. Hindi ko rin alam kung maalala nyo kung anong aking mga pinagsasabi. And it's really challenging. Pangatlo, may mga expectations. Nariyan na yung sasabihin ni Tito Boy, you worked hard. You got to where you are today because you studied hard. You have to thank your parents. You have to thank your siblings. You have to thank your guardians who made today possible. Hindi naman nakakasawa ulitin yun dahil totoo yun. At kadalasan, kinakailangan tayo i-remind doon sa mga dapat sinasabi pero hindi natin sinasabi ng madalas. Kaya sinabi ko pa rin po na kinakailangan tayo magpasalamat. Kailangan natin tapikin ang ating mga sarili because it was not easy to get to where you are today. Today is about exits and entrances. It's about hellos and goodbyes. It is about beginnings and endings. At yung napaka-importanting katanungan po na ano ba ang susunod? What is next? And to be very honest, hindi po ako tatayo dito sa inyong harapan at sasabihin po sa inyo kung ano ang susunod. I don't know. But let me tell you that not knowing is okay. Not knowing what's going to happen next is okay. Surrendering it to God, surrendering it to the universe, surrendering it to your heart is okay. You will be alright. Parati kong pinupuntahan po yung kanta ni Taylor Swift. Paano ba yun? Shake it off. Players are gonna play. Haters are gonna hate. Heartbreaker is gonna break. Faker is gonna fade. But I'm just gonna shake it off. And there's that beautiful line in that song that says, it's like I have this music in my mind that says, this is a paraphrase, it's gonna be alright. So not knowing what's gonna happen next, sinasagot niya ni Alec Taylor, it's gonna be alright. And you're gonna be alright. So, sa graduates, lalo na sa mga nanay, tatay, habang tinatanong natin ito, parati kong sinasabi that it's okay. At ngayong hapon baon ko po ay hindi mga tips kung paano nyo ina-navigate yung inyong buhay after your graduation. But I have some stories na nagamit ko